Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just picking up where I left off. Just splitting the episodes up equally. Just did a painfully long segment, which probably isn't meant to take more than 5 minutes, but I died at least 10 times. But yeah, we put the emblem in. Got some new weapons. Let's go. Sorry, my voice is so bad. Maybe yeah, sneaky. I like that they had to crouch to this, it's very good. Bollocks, I had that. Oh, did they hide someone there? Cheeky buggers. Where are you crouching? Get up. I really want to practice. Yeah, no. Not this time. Ooh, crouchy crouch. Nice. Can they crouch down here? I can hear her moaning. She was up there, wasn't she? Where is she? Sneaky. Can they stand in bear traps? No, they avoid them. Okay. Oh, so you can shoot them in the knee still. Okay, good. Not worth it. Have I just broken my knife? My own kitchen knife now. Okay, I got some kitchen knives though. I wonder how many times you can use them. Give me something, right? Oh, finally, can I grab that? Nice. Yay! The pearl pendant, nice. I wondering where that was. What the fuck? Why do I hear a chainsaw? Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm running back. Bye. Sorry, I absolutely just heard a chainsaw. Right? Did I not hear a chainsaw? Fucking reloading that if I am. Oh, Salvador, no, I'm so sorry. Please leave me alone. Why are you here? Stabbity. Oh, get your chainsaw away. I was like, I swear I hear a chainsaw. I wonder if the belt. Let's try this.
Feeling this?
Probably not. I'm scared. I'm in the pause menu because I'm scared. So like the boys. Whoa! Can you reload what's running? Okay, that's good. I really want to actually kill Salvador.
Give me a break already.
I know like waste fields, massive waste of resources, but I'm generally curious. I really want to melee him. I know it's a waste of resources, I know, but I really want to see if I can. Because this has dropped like 10,000.
Shit.
Is he dead? Did I do it? Yes! I have nothing left now to fight with. Oh no, I do. Fine. Oh, his arm's gone. Nice. I can't believe I killed him. Yay! Good. That was good. I'm pretty sure he drops really high rewards.
Not bad, right?
Not bad, right? Yeah, until you walk into that. What do you drop? 3 bolt. Oh yeah, because they were mine anyway. And then 1 emerald. Nice, good. And then, do you not drop any money? Really fucking helpful if you drop some money. Look, everyone else fades away, but he doesn't, which I don't trust. That's probably why he keeps going back. So yeah, pick up the pearl pendant. Anything else interesting? I wonder if that Minotaur character comes back. I feel like he probably will, right? Whoa! Fucking hell, that was close. You really don't hear them till late on. Who else is this? Bear traps. An angel. No! I can't use that. Okay, fine. So it's not a key for that. Gabby. Oh. No one saw that. Let's pretend that no one saw that. Because that didn't happen. Because that would be really embarrassing. Any treasures on this one? No. Fucking lethal, these bloody bear traps. I've been here before. That's quite dark. Oh, this is his house, right? This is when we... Hello?
Not too shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
Another small key. Maybe these are what unlock the shrine chests, maybe?
Old photo.
These are cool. Interesting. Don't trust that. Don't trust that at all. No, can I go upstairs? I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Oh no, you have to go. Must have to go around the back then. Look at his big hat and his big coat. He's definitely in. I don't really know where, but we'll find out soon, I'm sure. Is it upstairs you find him? Is that a typewriter? Don't mind if I do. Yeah, no, I've saved. I want the red end. I don't know where to go first. Nice. What's in here? Is he on the toilet? Sorry. I'm so sorry. It was really rude. Are you dead? Did you poo? Oh, it did as well. Oh my god, Capcom, gross. Nice. Oh, sorry. Maybe it's... Oh my god, hello. What have I got to do to get on here? Is there something around the house that is something on here? I feel like the guy on the toilet was in the first game as well. How do I know how to get that code? I will absolutely look it up and cheat if I can't think of my, I can't figure it out myself. What's that? A brown chicken egg. Is that potatoes? Oh, they've got sprouts on them, that's a nice detail. Is that a beaver? What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a bunny. Oh, poor bunny. there's like a key on here. Oh, was that him when he was younger? At last flesh. At last flesh, our flesh, blood, our blood. Give thanks and rejoice. That's nice. Oh, there's always stuff to get. I really like the Resident Evil games just for this. Is there really not a clue on how to do that chest? I know that pretty sure Big Cheese is upstairs, so I don't. Oh, I'm gonna so cheat and look this up. I heard someone bang. No, I'm not really sure what to do. Maybe I'll just go upstairs and see the Big Cheese, and maybe I can. Oh, he's clearly home. His hat and coat's up here, so. Ah, cool. Crop swineherd. Grave eventual master people offer their most prized possessions. The old farmer is finding his crop. The slight swineherd of his pig, and then a bay. The baby? What? I sacrificed the baby? What does babe mean? Is babe a pig? You can't be a pig. Grandma sacrificed her own. So it was that. Which one's the pig? Did I meant to be the pig? Big baby. Nice. Okay, cool. What do I get for that? Ooh, pretty. Do I get anything else, or was that it? Well, that was worth it. Nice. Okay, cool. What the fuck is that? Oh god, I hate this game. It's a fucking mistake. It's scaring me like this. Fucking nasty piece of shit. Fuck this. I'm going upstairs. Stop chasing me. I'm going to see Big Cheese because he's nicer than you. Oh, you need to do this anyway. Oh, cool. Wait a minute! Please just wait whilst I figure this out. It'd be cool if the guy could grab you off. I don't think there's eye later on in the game. I feel that's pretty close. Yes, nice. Please let me in. Oh. October 10th, the weather has been strange of late. The wheat withers and the cows grow thin. There are signs of famine. It is true, we lack the means to work the fields, but Lord Sadler's orders are absolute. January 30th, 30 people have starved to death. 5 cows will be slaughtered. March 11th, the patriots gathered to cast lots. 6 more chosen for Lord Sadler. 8 more, 4 more, 11 more. 2 outsiders got lost and wandered into the village. We took them to the altar for ritual. No need to cast lots today. Ooh, creepy. Can I close the door so it doesn't make a big scary noise? This is the portrait of Sadler. Lord Sadler. Is he not coming in because... Can I close the door, please? Oh, he has it. See, he has it quite nice in here. It's a big bed. Insignia key. Nice. Oh no. Whoa! It's not. My god. Oh my arm. He just picks me up. Ragdoll.
The blood has accepted the gift.
He sounds different. Ada! Ada! Nice. think you winded him. Leon, don't. It's not worth it.
Gift? My blood?
Yeah, he stabbed you with a needle, baby. Oh, so cool. We got to see Ada. Yay, I finished the chapter. Okay, cool. Chapter results. What are you boying? See, it says it here, so why doesn't he say it? Death 7. Times damaged. Oh dear. I did worse on that one. It's fine. It's all good. I'd love to save my progress. Yes, please. Nice. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Overwrite it. Go for it. Oh, this game is so fun. Again, more. Again.
Bruce Condor 1, I've got that intel you requested on Louis Serra. It seems he used to be a researcher for Umbrella.
Umbrella? I should have left him in that bag to rot.
I'm sending you the details.
That's cool. You can't
Take a
interact
look,
until.
but Baby Eagle is your priority.
Copy that. Making my way to the church.
Making my way to
Condor
the
1,
church.
out.
What the fuck is this? Nice. I want to look at the file though. Louis Sierra report. He's 28! Oh my goodness. Sierra's name first appears publicly in a university student registry. No prior records have been discovered, including his birth certificate. Then how do you know how old he is? After graduating from university, he was employed by Umbrella's research division, where he became a rising star who won favour among his peers. He was involved in the department of several common other over-the-counter drugs. Sorry, he was in the... Oh, I'm sorry. I'm blaming it because I'm sick, but I'm actually terrible at reading anyway. He was involved in the development of several common over-the-counter drugs, all of which were discontinued before ever reaching the market. See attached list for details. A few years later, Sierra resigned from Umbrella and could not be located. After the Raccoon City incident, efforts were made by law enforcement and the government to track down anyone with links to Umbrella, but despite conducting an extensive research, they were unable to find him. Considering how well he evaded them, we are almost certain Sierra went to great lengths to disappear. In Hannigan's handwriting, common over the counter drugs. Do you seriously think that Umbrella would let one of their best work on some anisette or beauty cream? Oh, sorry guys, I can't read, but I'll try. How do I get there? Hello? Do I need to grab that dead body? Ada, do you want to help me? Didn't she shoot through that? Oh, she did. Nice little detail that it's still been shot through. Who the fuck are you? That looks like... Oh, no. How do I get to it? I need a hand. What am I supposed to do? Yes, alright, sadly. Oh my god, please don't be there. Where's he? For the last of the people. Oh, I already did this. Is that fucker still downstairs? I didn't technically kill him. I feel like he would be, to be honest. Oh, it's getting to... Oh. Dog, I hear dog. I know you're alive in this game. I already saw it spoiled. Must help dog, but also look at the lighting. Very nice, very dusky. Let's go help dog. Yeah, it's okay, buddy.
You too, huh?
Hi. It's okay. The fact that you can leave this dog makes me so upset. Don't worry, buddy. I'll help you. The amount of times I've been a bear trap this playthrough already is embarrassing. Yeah, so I already saw this. This was the one thing I saw on Twitter, like really early on. Oh, yay. I'm so glad he's fine.
Take care of yourself, buddy.
He'll come help you later. We need him on the Gargantua anyway. Oh, so cute. I'm glad that we still have that. To be honest, I don't think Capcom were ever going to not put it in. But it was a nice little tease. Look at the red lighting. Very smart. Which way do I need to go back? Head for the lake. Lake. I know how to play the game. Does it tell me what to do? I'll head for the church. Where is the church? Is this the church? Oh yeah, sorry, no. I just need to head back through the village now because... Yeah, sorry, because I've got the insignia key, which is like the key, yeah, where they all went in the opening sequence. Yeah, okay. I feel like Del Lago was before this, but I've just clearly forgotten. Nice. Let me through. But, oh, I don't like that it's getting dark. Oh, wow. That's quite cool. There's like obviously like a warm... Oh my goodness, that looks gorgeous. Look at that lighting setup. Oh, now it's getting dark again. No, no, I can't see. I actually genuinely can't see. Hello, anybody in here? I'm just gonna run in. Okay, good. Technically, what was that noise? And a bang bang. I'm going to get killed. Can I craft some shotgun shells? Nice. Can I craft? No. Nice. I feel like I should do some case organising, but I can't be fucked. What happens on our way back to the village? Oh, look at it. Where the fuck do you think you're going? Oh, there's absolute... Where is this giant ball? Is it there? Maybe not. Is it? Are you going to throw a ball at me? I've played this before. Is Algante first? Is this Algante? Algante's not first, is he? Okay, no, fine. No, we're back at the village. We're fine. We're fine, yeah, this is where you come from. Absolutely thought I just heard a chainsaw. I feel like you'll give us something good. Is that green herb? Please be green herb. It's very quiet. Fuck me there. Oh my god, sorry, I better jump. No, don't run to that. Oh my god, I'm absolutely making shit myself. What the fuck? Why is there a... Oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, 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 no. What the fuck? Why have we got some pluggy wolves? Oh my god, they're hideous! They look terrifying. Oh god, I'm dreading the castle bit. Maybe I just need to run? Do not. Yeah, you know the bit in the castle, like, during the maze, and you've got a... Yeah, no, not looking forward to that bit. That's terrifying in the original. Does this fucking move, you fuckers? Get out of my way. Fuck off. No, no jump. Nasty. How do I get past this? Slam the door, slam the door. Oh, for fuck's sake! That's quite clever. Oh, I didn't get this. Oh. Did I get everything I wanted? Oh, shotgun. Not shotgun. Can I could you fuck off, please? You've already done a really naughty thing right now, and you put a trap, and I didn't appreciate it. Now, give me that gunpowder. Can the dogs not get you from outside? That would be quite nice. Oh, I hate these things. They're so clever, but big old now. Fucking cheeky. Another shotgun, please. No? Okay. Okay. Maybe I can get a better view from upstairs. Where are those fucking dogs? Can you shoot the dogs from upstairs? That'd be cool. Where are they? What am I supposed to do? Oh, I see you. If I had the rifle, I'd kill you now. He ran away. Okay, I feel like I need to run that way. I don't think you can shoot the dogs then by the looks of it until... I think that's kind of like the game not allowing you to do that, which is fair. It's probably going to be quicker if I just leg it, isn't it? So go that way. Oh, you fuckers. No. No bite. Oh, cool. Can I get the TMP now? Oh my god, they're brutal. Nice. Okay, so this is now uncovered. Right, I'm assuming no dogs will come down here, right? Alright. You little fucks. Right, so the TMP was down here in the demo, right? So if there's a dog down here, I'm not having it. If Dr. Salvador's down here, I'm not having it. Hello? Did you get lost? Are you not going to come attack me? Or what? I just saw you, what's wrong? Oh, why do I keep pressing that button? Sorry. Mine. Why does he run away? Money. Oh god, put the torch on straight. I can't fucking see. No, maybe that was just a demo thing because that chest is not in here, is it? Where the fuck? Oh god, this is so disorienting. Oh yeah, so it actually takes you to the other side, so maybe this is the way you're supposed to go, yeah. That guy kind of like despawned from nowhere, right? Anyone else see that? I saw him and then he kind of just fucked off. Wait, I wasn't ready. She see me. Oh, we're in the church. Oh, you can come in here? This isn't what I'm thinking of. This isn't the church, is it? No, this is different. Oh, this is very Resident Evil 8. Oh, no, don't you dare. No, nah. Stinky snake. What does a viper do? You can keep that. What? What the fuck? You can eat the snake in this? Could you do that originally? I don't remember that. Those walls were terrifying because they did not like those. Lord Salvador. We met Salvador yet? We haven't, have we? Not officially. Money. This is very Resident Evil 7. Just the lighting. These all dead heads. Not nice. What is it? Oh, yes, please give me that first aid spray. Sleep well and flourish, dear child. As your body grows, your mother shall sew new small clothes at 7 quintal of wheat and a half a bull a day. You've outgrown your pen. Flourish, dear child, for the sake of your brothers and sisters who cannot. Okay. Is that all it is in here? What is it? Yes, please. Dr. Salvador? How can I help?
I have something I think you love.
Oh, hello. Merchant tips. They could constantly run out of ammo. Bolt throw, something else, mate. Yeah, I mean, I probably should learn to use it. It's not about fixed. Oh, that's cool. Shoot an enemy to see them explode instantly or at surface. Oh, that's quite cool. See, the game could have done a straight remake, but I'm glad they've added like new bits in and new areas and new enemies essentially as well. That's good.
Ooh, you have the stench of...
Shut up. I'm fine. I'm not stinky.
battle on you, mate. Well,
Oh, his laugh's pretty good. His
I've
laugh's
got
pretty
something
true too.
new for you.
Oh, you've got the TMP, do you now? Yeah, I knew that.
All my wares are in tip-top shape.
That's quite useful.
I assure you.
I kind of want the flash grenade recipe more than anything, but we're not going to be at the castle for a while. The TMP I want. Do want the rifle as well. I've got nothing to sell. No, I can sell the pearl pendant.
We'll do. Next time, then.
Oh.
Welcome. Thank you. Anything else? Don't get yourself killed.
I need to sort this out. What do I do the chicken eggs for?
Killed now. Welcome.
Have my chicken eggs, sir.
Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave.
Would you like 4 chicken eggs?
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Come.
Oh, I need...
Welcome.
Can you
Ooh,
fix
what you
my
buying?
knife, please?
Give that the care it deserves, mate. Your weapons are in good hands, mate. Don't...
I actually really quite like the kitchen knives. What's this? Sorry, I'm just thinking I kind of want to get the TMP, but I don't really want to. No, let's keep going.
Get yourself killed now.
We've got a bit of time. We've got plenty of time to get the TMP. As long as I have the. What request? Sell 3 Vipers. Oh, you can have the one I. See, that looks like the old barrel, which you think you can have. You can have my Viper.
Welcome.
If anything, it'll be
What
good.
can I interest you in?
I was going to keep it because I'm definitely going to die
I
again soon.
knew you were a go-getter.
I want to buy that. I really want the GMP. Oh god, how did that? Well, I probably. There's an auto sort? What's L3?
At any time.
Oh my god, don't laugh at me with L3. Oh, it did? That's pretty cool. That's very cool. It's weirdly helpful. Can I have the TMP now? I feel like I can definitely make space for this. A lot of people don't like the TMP, but I personally love it.
Welcome.
It makes me feel very safe.
Ho ho! You cut through the crowd with that right
Good,
there.
I need to cut through the crowd.
Well then, what can I do you for? Pleasant.
Do I
Welcome.
need to buy like a recipe? Have I got enough money to buy a recipe? No, I got time yet.
Hard time.
I'd like to equip this, please. I like this. Oh, you're already equipped. What is on my equipment? Sorry guys, I'm taking ages.
Welcome.
Ah! Right, I want to equip you.
Next time then.
How do I change that? Oh, sorry, shortcut. Bloody hell. You. Oh, that's really cool. That's very cool. Maybe you could do it in the original, I just don't remember. Ah! Sorry guys, I'm so bad at this. Buttons! The game's getting annoyed with me. So I've got pistol, shotgun. I need my TMP. Shotgun. You can go there. Sorry. Cool. Right, reload. I'm going to save again because I don't know what I needed to do now. Save. Yes. Time saved 12. Wow. I just want to make sure I don't lose. What time is it? Oh, I nearly missed a barrel. What's going on? Sorry, I appreciate this must be a really boring playthrough, especially watching someone die constantly.
Hello, stranger.
But I really do enjoy the game, and I'm having a lot of fun already. I thought I'd be a lot further in than this, and now I won't lie, but never mind. Nice.
A church. I made it.
You did. Where the fuck does Salvador go? Up here. Oh, I wonder if I can sneaky around the gravies. There better not be a bear trap anywhere. I remember this area being a pain to get around. Oh, when I first played it. I might honestly just try to sneak and kill them. Oh, I should have shot that then. So I can shoot you. I don't want to waste stuff. I feel like you're asking me to shoot you there. Thank God that was a green herb. When do the dogs appear? Do the dogs appear at night?
Damn it.
Condor 1 to Roost. The church is sealed up.
And Baby Eagle?
Negative. Nothing yet. But they sure do have this place locked up tight.
I see. I can think of one reason they'd want to do so.
Oh, she's here. That's for sure. I'll find a way in. Condor 1, out.
No, you do go to the bit, right? Oh, I know there's a woman down here. I remember that. She scared the shit out of me when I first played it. There it is, right? I swear there's someone down here. I don't think I'm supposed to be here, am I? No? I ain't going down there. Fuck, that looks terrifying. Oh, cool, so you can kind of choose to use these keys where you like. Okay, cool. That's quite interesting. Oh, that is Ashley. Keep her locked in the church until the appointed time. A pest from the outside has come for the girl. I'm guessing because they can't read. Lock her in the church and wait orders from our Lord. Until then, keep the church door shut. The key will be held in the cave on the other side of the lake. The monster will deal with the foolish intruder. Okay, cool. So,
Lake. Let's hope for no more surprises.
do you want to go down there? Do you want to find a surprise down there? I thought that was going to be a surprise down there. I don't like that. Oh, sorry, was that the door? Right, is it because you can't go that way? Was that locked? Oh, right, okay, fine, so that is the way in. Okay, cool. Oh, I saw there was a woman though there. Is there not a woman? Oh, God, they're coffins! Oh, gross. In here, was there not... Yeah, I definitely remember there being someone down here. Oh, cool. Right up here. I can hear you. Lost me. Nice. Where are you? Where are you running? Yeah, babe, can you jump down? Good lad. Hello. I just want to get the treasure. Grave robber. This traitor's twin should not be allowed to rest in peace for joining the evil cult. Won't someone allow the destruction of emboard engraved upon their tombstones to destroy the church? Destroy the church emblems. Maybe. Maybe not. thought there was a... Never mind. Down we go. Maybe I'll do that request later. Actually, it probably makes sense to do it now, doesn't it? Because later it gets quite busy. And I want spinels. So do you not get spinels from shooting stuff nowadays? That seems a shame. What have I got to do? I didn't pay attention. What was the request? Destroy what? Tombs? Can I hear someone? Oh, right. Destroy all these then.
Okay.
Was that it? Is that all of it? Who can I hear moaning? Will the merchant give me spinels if I run back? Not to be a pain. Oh, is it you? Are you in here? Is someone moaning in here? Kickity. Do you have a friend in here? Is there a wife or something? Oh, you weren't. Were you in there? That would be fun. Okay, cool. Oh, sorry guys. So snotty. Excuse me, coming through. Merchant, I think I did good. Please, can you let me know? Did I do it? Tell me I did good.
Ah, I see you took care of a request.
I did good.
Well done.
Could you give me my reward?
Well done. You've proven yourself reliable.
Nice. That's all I wanted to do. Just make sure I've done it right.
Pleasant travel.
See you later. Honestly, I don't know why they've removed his "What are you buying?" line, because the new voice actor's fine. He's good. He definitely embodies him, and nothing's going to really beat the original. But I don't get why they wouldn't give him his most iconic line. It would really help people like grow more attached to him quicker, surely. Sorry, I'm making you use your muscles. I have it from the other way now, so this should open. Nice. Okay, cool. Right, let's go to the lake. Hello? Lago. Del lago. I'm coming to get you, you giant salamander. Ooh. Hello? Come here. Come here. Fucking prick. What the fuck? Oh, fuck's sake, how much was it last night? Just wanna blow him up. Can I pick you up? I need you for a request. Oh dear, that looked bad. Oh, really bad. Sent me to eat the snake now. That didn't do anything. Why did I do that? Oh, Harriet. Oh, I'm actually injured. Like, fuck. Fine, use a first aid spray. Nice. Oh dear. Oh dear. One more memento, please, whilst I get to my bearings.
Next.
Right. I really don't like wasting the shotgun. It's too good. He's not even looking at me. Look at me. Money, money, money. That snake's not worth it. Why would you do that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. God, if I can barely handle the villagers now, how am I going to handle the water? Bitch. Oh, what's this thing? No! Oh, good lord, that was lucky. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, I'm going to die again already. Go away.
Keep coming.
Yeah, I know. I'm not. Oh, not you, flags. Oh dear, I'm going to die. You were very lucky to go. I don't think I'll make it now. Oh, I'm way too injured. It's alright, I'll get the...
Good luck finding someone big enough to use this thing.
Lovely foreshadowing there. Wow. Oh yeah, do you not do... Oh yeah, do you do him on the way back? Oh, green egg, thank goodness. That was lucky. Yeah, we'll be using that later, Leon, so don't worry. Oh no! No! Why are these a thing? You dick. How the fuck are you supposed to avoid that? Give me that, give me that, give me that. I swear you meant to like... Oh no, you meant to... Oh my goodness. Could you fuck off? Oh, fuckers.
Ah.
I don't like these. They are horrible things. And they're not getting much... How did I kill them? Can you fuck off, please, you little shits? Oh my god. One more hit and I'm dead. It's the only thing I can use to heal myself. Nope.
Next.
Oh my god, there's green air. Do I go for it? That was so fucking lucky. Right. Hey little fuck, where are you? How do you duck? Can you avoid them by ducking? They're really strong. Can you hear El Gante already? I feel like you can hear his breathing. This episode's getting really long, so I'm going to leave this episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.